A wildfire in Augusta County near the Rockbridge County line continues burning this morning. The Big Levels fire has burned more than 1,000 acres in the George Washington and Jefferson National Forests just south of Stanton. 30 people, along with 2 fire trucks and 1 helicopter, are on the scene trying to keep it from burning private land. This is video of the smoke yesterday. The National Weather Service says people will continue seeing smoke for the next several days. They say there is a chance dry conditions and gusty winds could make containment difficult.